They said we couldn't do it. They said it was impossible to bring this marble back to its original glory. They told us to break it down and install it new. But then, we remembered some great words of wisdom from a guy that nobody believed in him.
I like the impossible because there's less competition.
This inspirational quote from Walt Disney brings our minds to extraordinary things. We read it and get inspired to do a remarkable thing, to put our mark in the universe. So take a sneak peek at this 110 years old landmark Tennessee marble walls and columns restoration, and let us know if the impossible is really not achievable. One look is worth 1,000 words. This project is proof that no matter how difficult it may look, if you put your heart and effort into your projects, you will achieve anything. If you'd like to see the final results of this project, follow us on Instagram at StoneGuysNY. No matter how big or small your project is, we'll be there for you. Call us today at 888-786-6369. The Stone Guys, New York. You'll be amazed at what we can do for your stones.